Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I'm Ahmed Gayat and you are watching Mentor Speaks. I have mentioned it in almost all my traveling videos that how to travel light. But on the suggestion of well-wishers and viewers, I am making this exclusive vlog. So all the details are covered, and if there is any question you want to know, any other detail, do let me know in the comments. Towards the end, whatsoever I will be talking about the things that is trolley bag or things like that, I will display at the end of my talk. First and foremost is what is the container? That is, what are arrangement of putting the stuff and carrying it. There are two options. One is to have a trolley bag, cabin size, and second is backpack. Backpack, lot many youngsters, they prefer backpack, and there are very good quality 42 and 50 liters and all that. They're very nice and they feel comfortable. But I think people like me, sort of senior citizens, they feel comfortable with the trolley bag. And just to mention, I have carried the trolley bag even to Masai Mara for that small flight and staying in that tent and camp. It was fine. So it is up to you. No issue. I have told my preference. Now, try that it should be good quality. Whatsoever you take, it should be good quality. There should be system of locking. Two types of lock. One is lock, the other is with the numbers. One is padlock and the other is with the help of numbers. Same goes for your backpack. It must have a locking system. Now, after the quality, make sure that whatsoever you buy, it is less than 1 kg. It's manageable. It's possible. It should be, try to have it less than 1 kg. That is either your backpack. Backpacks are comparatively of lesser weight, or the trolley bag. Now come on to what all we are going to keep it in there. Let me first of all explain, most of you must be knowing, but explain that some of the airlines are very strict about hand carry weight. They don't provide you the ticket unless you get your hand carry weight, and that's the limit is 7 kg. They do leave you about half a kg this side. They do keep you. And also I will tell you here, if your weight is exceeding, take out some of the item and wear them. Right? Looks awkward, sounds awkward, but doesn't look awkward. You can put some double dresses so that the weight in your carry-on is controlled, is less. Now, about carrying the thing, first of all, you must know what is the weather like where you are going. If it is tropical, you don't require much of the stuff. And I will also talk about the layered stuff, layered dress. And if it is tropical, I feel you wear one pair and carry one pair if you are there for 2 to 3 weeks. For 1 month, for safety's sake, you can have, let's say, 2 light dresses. Look, we are not going into a wilderness. At times you will find the local dresses very attractive and cheap. Like in Bali, in all Indonesia, in Vietnam, in Thailand, and so many countries. The dresses are very cheap. So if we need to buy something, we will buy it. It's not costly. Why to carry 4 or 5 dresses and this type and that type? The dress should be multi-purpose. When I say multi-purpose, I mean you should have a jacket which should protect you from rain as well as from cold weather. It should be waterproof and it should be windproof. Similarly, the shirt you are wearing should have pockets. The trouser you are wearing should have pockets. So you can put some of the stuff over there. And shoes should be very comfortable. I have mentioned it. These should be lightweight. What extra pair of shoes you are carrying should be either very, very lightweight or preferably what they call it, the sponge slippers, so-called Kenchi Chappal, Why Juta. That is enough. So multi-purpose and as less as possible. Shoes what you are wearing must be very comfortable. Most of the airports at check-in and at scanning, they tell you to remove the shoes. If there are lot many laces or some issue, these should be just stick-on type. No laces, nothing much, right? And advantages of having this and not having no suitcase under any circumstances, no booking of any circumstances. Some people say, oh, we had 20 kg, it is going waste. Let it go waste. It's enough. You see, if you are going in the transit at some of the airlines, when you change the airline, they say it is self-collection of the luggage and again checking in. Now, the good old suitcase, again, you are getting it, waiting for it to come on some cart or something, and then onto the conveyor belt, and you're collecting it, and again you are moving and dragging it. You have a trolley bag, you have another suitcase, and a time when you don't have to take it, there is a possibility that the airline may, very less, but there is a possibility airline may lose you can say, putting it into your next flight if there is less time or some error. So if you have got those things inside, you will be absolutely disturbed. Your tour, your visit, your excursion will be reduced to half because you will be worried. Similarly, if you just have a hand carry, you will be amongst the first few. You will be like the cabin crew. Like the cabin crew you will be ahead of cabin crew to get out of the airport and take a taxi or something. Everything will be smooth and no rush because the people most of them are collecting the luggage. Right? Now, at the end, let me show you and display some of the items. With the suitcase, I'll show you. With the suitcase, I say you should have a pouch. This is a pouch which you wear it, sling on and keep it in front. In this, you can have as many things as possible. Mine is mostly 3/4 of a kg. Yes, sir, 3/4 of a kg. One or two items I'll just show you which are of much weight. Power bank, it weighs quite a lot. So it goes here and its charger also goes here. And my recommendation should carry the anti-respirant, or you can say gel, to kill the smell of sweat and all that. You should have it handy, have it here. And this is the one. I'll just show you the suitcase which I carry. It is 4-wheel. This is the one. I'm not into advertisement of any brand, but I'm just showing you. It has got the locking arrangements and both. And believe you me, 1/4 of my suitcase is always empty. Most of the suitcases, the trolley bags, as these are, you can extend them also, but it's not required. Now, if you are going from a cold weather, you should not expose yourself in your country because you are going in a taxi or getting out of the taxi and going inside the airport. Then maybe you have to go in a bus to your aircraft. So you should have warm dress. Layered, when I say, it would be your vest. Then you have your shirt with pockets. Then you have a light sweater, full sleeve light sweater, and over it, you will have your jacket, light jacket, multi-purpose. When you go to the aircraft, maybe you are feeling something warm, remove your jacket, and I normally tie it against my waist and just tie it, or you can keep it along with your hand carry. Similarly, if you go into the little warmer, you remove your sweater and just hold it or place it in your trolley bag. So this is the concept of layered dresses. You start feeling cold, you have handy, you keep putting them. But going from colder to the tropical region, you start removing as you need it, right? And I will say that for cold weather, this is very good stuff. It's a simple cap and it has got very comfortable with some nice velvet inside, and this can go up till down to your neck also, right? So you have the option. It's very lightweight, and for the cold weather it's very good. One of the item, even if I need it less, is my scarf, muffler, and I will recommend it. It's multi-purpose. This has got hardly any weight, and this is, if you feel cold, just roam it like this, protect your chest, which may not be protected by the other things. Same one you can tie around your neck or your head and bring it down and put it here. So it's not decent to show your shoes, but just to tell you, for the teaching or learning purposes, these are my shoes which I carry. These are as light as I can hold it with a small finger, and these are few ounces only, right? So try to have comfortable shoes. They are not even stick-on type. They are fitting. And again, a point of sharing, try to get the shoes which are little loose. Why? Because if these are little loose, you can cover that with the inner. You put an inner and it will be fine. But if it is tight, you can't do anything. So this is from my side. Thank you very much. Hope you are wise on the subject and you will carry only a suitcase or a backpack and cross on, put your things in it, have lock and key, enjoy if you want to enjoy the place and the travel light. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye. Have a good time.